Hey, it's Yogendra Avasthi here. This is a project of mine called Shopcart. It is an e-commerce site I made using Monstack. Let's explore the site. First of all, this is a search bar. You can search the products here. Let's search Samsung. Okay, yeah, there is two Samsung mobiles. So let's add to cart. Oh, it says you have to log in or register first. So let's do that. This banner I brought it from Flipkart just for showcase, and these slides they show all the products that are added by the sellers, and these products are added by default by me. So that is that. And you can also, okay, I will tell it later, but first of all, sign in as a customer, because if you sign in as a seller, you can't be able to buy a product, you can only be able to sell it. So I will show this in a few seconds. But first of all, sign in as a customer. Let's sign in as a customer. Again, the and password. Oh yeah, sign up. Right, I forgot. Yeah, my name is Yogendra. So let's sign in. And here, yeah, what I was talking about is you can see the product menu, and then add the products that you want to buy in the cart. So first of all, we'll buy a laptop. I'll buy the Dell laptop and the SS laptop. And after that, Samsung. Where is the Samsung mobile? Yeah, I'll add that as well. So shop cart. Yeah, this is a cool feature. Let me show it. Yeah, I know it's lame, but I liked it. So, so after that, you can check the cart. You can go back, go to the top, or if you just want to view the bill, so click this, and you will be drawn to here. So let's buy all. Add the shipping address. So what is your shipping address? You have to add, my shipping address is Dehradun. City is also Dehradun. And the postal code, okay, I forgot. So let's just random. And India, Uttarakhand, and the mobile number. Okay, first it should be 10 digit, or it will throw an error. Okay, let's show you throwing an error. How it looks like. Yeah, it looks like this. That's why I was saying it. It should be 10 digit long. After that, it reviews your orders. It says the quantity is one Samsung mobile. So it will be, after the discount, it will be 42,000, and its shipping is free, of course. Let's click next, and card number. Yeah, random, whatever you want. Card number and date. Where they haven't added the payment system properly, but I will add it soon. For now, it is just for demo. Place order. Sorry, it is just for demo. I will add it soon. And back to the home. Now these are the orders. You will see the orders. Now the cart is cleared because you have ordered the products. Now you will view the products in here, my order section, and these are the products like the Samsung Galaxy one. Okay, now let's write a review. Okay, best mobile, better mobile. What happened to? Okay, let's submit. Oh, it says select a rating. So select a rating. Yes. Submit. You can only write a review after you have ordered it, or in a real e-commerce site, you can do that after you have bought it. But here I have changed it so that you can write the reviews when you have ordered it. So this is your review. Okay. After that, let's go to home shop cart, and yeah, that's it. That's it. You can view the product, and yeah, that's it. Um, I know it's not that many features, but it's enough, I guess. After logging out, you can sign in as a seller. Seller will be Tony Stark, and sign up Tony Stark. Tony Stark created Avengers, so Avengers shop. Okay, let's not ruin the cave. Okay, wait. Avengers. Now register. Okay, these cards are just for showcase, okay? And these charts are also for showcase. They look cool, that's why I didn't want to leave it empty. And I haven't coded the uh, making the sales integrated into the charts, so yeah, it will take some time. This was just a passion project of mine, so I didn't code that much for this. But here you can add products. You have to first go in the product section and add product, and it asks for a product URL. So for that we have to visit the Flipkart. So, as usual, I have brought many products from Flipkart. It asks us to sign up, which I will not do. I won't sign up. So after that, yeah, search the t-shirt. um which one looks good? I think this one, right? Okay, this one. Yeah, this one looks cool. Copy image address. Okay, copy image address, bring it here and paste it here, and yeah, done. Now after that, I need the name, product name. It asks for a description, so let's write it description. Oh, there is no description. Then okay, it says money waste, don't buy this. Okay, there is no description what to do. Does it have a description? Wait, bro, why don't these products have description? And do I have to add a, okay, Apple Watch? It will have a description, right? But I have already added. Okay, no problem. I'll add this one. This has a description, right? There is no okay, I'll just write this one. First of all, copy the image address. Instead of this, let's paste this, and the name. The name will be the Apple Watch, and the description will be this. Yeah, I know it's not good, but it can't allow. Uh, so the price will be 34,000. No, it will be the MRP, and this will be the cost. Okay, fun fact, you have to remove the comma because it will not accept in the schema, in the backend, in the database. So after that, 28, you don't have to write the percent. It will fix it in own way. And the category, it is a smartwatch, right? So okay, no, electronics category, and the subcategory would be smart watches. Smartwatch. Bestseller. Add. It says done successfully. Let's view the product. Yeah, look, it's view. Cool, right? So let's. Oh, it says no reviews found. So let's add a review. Log out. Um, where is it? Products, smartwatches. Oh, okay. There's a problem. I didn't write smartwatches, so it created another category. No problem. Oh, it says yeah. I forget, bro. I forget that I haven't signed up. Sorry. Let's sign up. Sign up and the smartwatch. Add to cart. Okay, let's buy two of them. Cool. Okay, it's 14. Oh, bro, it's 50,000 for a watch, for two watch. Okay, so let's click buy. Next, next. Yeah, random. Place order. Yeah, back to home. Okay, wait a minute. Let's go here and add to cart again because I want to show you a feature which will appear in the seller section. Let's view this one. Let's write a review. Give it a 4 star. Too expensive. Let's leave that review. After that, let's log out and log in as seller Tony Stark and Tony Stark, and go here in the order section. Here you can see out for delivery these product, two product quantity Apple Watch is out for delivery, and added to cart. We just added the Apple Watch to the cart, so it will say one product is added to the cart, right? So you can view the product and review. Okay, if you don't like the review, you can delete it just like that. After that, you can edit the product details as well, like if you want to change anything. And you can check which customer has added your product to the cart. Oh, his name is Yogendra. You can view the name. After that, oh yeah, this will help, I think. So log out. Yeah, that's it. I know it, there's nothing more to it, but I just created it for my passion, that's all. So now let's see my GitHub page, GitHub slash Yogendra. Okay, it's okay. Look, it shows my month